Over the last few days, you may have been caught up in election news. However, let's turn our attention back on the tropics. I'm forecaster Nicolette Zangara. Right now, Tropical Storm Eta is banging on Florida's door. However, it is not expected to make direct impacts until later on this week. You can see most of the state is in the cone of uncertainty. Keyword there is uncertainty because we have several outcomes that could happen over the next few days. It is expected to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane going into tomorrow and Tuesday. Further strengthening, again, unknown, and that's because the track. And we are expecting this storm to take either a northerly track, which is forecasted by the GFS, which typically this season has been a little bit more accurate, but that would bring more direct impacts to the west coast. However, the European model, which has been overall a little bit more accurate over the years, that is forecasting more of a western shift, which would be less direct impacts. However, there's a higher chance of tropical storm, potentially Hurricane Eta, strengthening even further due to these warm Gulf waters. So we're going to watch both of these models very carefully over the next several hours. Regardless, across north central Florida, a warm and wet pattern is expected. Starting this afternoon, we have that strong easterly flow going across the state. Highs will be reaching the low to mid 80s, 84 towards Ocala, 83 in Gainesville, but nonetheless, some spotty to scattered showers are expected to move onshore from the east, heading westward through the evening hours. And overnight, those showers are not expected to quit. In fact, we are expecting most of it to stay south of Alachua County overnight and then spreading more across the state as we head into the morning and afternoon hours tomorrow. Overnight lows staying warm in the lower 70s, 73 towards Ocala, 72 in Gainesville. Let's take a look at the rain for the rest of the evening overnight hours. We are expecting that again to stay south of Alachua County, affecting the eastern coast as well and portions of Putnam County. But then heading further into the morning and afternoon, you can see it is expected to spread across the state, and we are expecting a few thunderstorms as well as we get into the late afternoon and early evening hours. But most of these showers will be calming down just around or after sundown. A few spotty showers expected to linger as we head into the evening hours tomorrow. Here's that updated 6-day forecast. Higher rain chances expected as deep tropical moisture sits over the state of Florida. Temperatures staying very warm for this year, just about 9 or 10 degrees over the next few days, but a cooler and drier weekend is on the horizon.